Hi all, welcome to Nesto Academy, improvising skills since 2009. In this video, we are going to see about the banker-customer relationship part 2. In this video, we are going to discuss about the loan account and the locker account. Firstly, we will see about the loan account. Here, the bank lends a certain amount of money to the customer. The customer gets the money from the bank, so the customer becomes the borrower and the bank becomes the lender. We can also term it as the bank as a creditor and the customer as a debtor. In case of the fixed deposit, the above case is vice versa. Now let's see the locker account. In the case of locker account, it's a kind of a lessor-lessee relationship. Section 105 of Transfer of Property Act deals with the lease, lessor and the lessee. Here, banks, after getting some initial deposit amount from the customer, gives their deposit lockers on lease basis to the customers. So the bank acts as a lessor and the customer as a lessee, also termed as the bank as a licensor and the customer as a licensee. Banks should take appropriate care for protecting the locker systems and premises. It is responsible for ensuring that no incidents of fire, theft, robbery, dacoity do not occur in the bank's premises. In the case of occurrence of such man-made instances, the banks are liable for an amount equivalent to 100 times the prevailing annual rent of the safe deposit. That's all for this video. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe Nesto Academy.